Before starting the video, can you please subscribe, like and also turn on bell notifications, because by popular demand we're bringing back our In Real Life series, which did very well last time.
Another one.
Hip hip! Hooray!
Today we're going through a DIY tyre transformation video just for you guys. We started our little tyre journey off at Halfords, where we had to go get our primer, lacquer and gloss to make our tyres look very nice and, suit the car, which is the mission for today's video. We bought 3 cans in total, which didn't add up to that much cost. Yep, so starting off with the primer, this is the base coat you need. This is the gloss black, which will be our main color, and this is a lacquer to protect all the car's paintwork that we've just applied. As this is a tutorial, you can use any primer, but as we used black as our gloss, we need grey as our primer as it fits well. We got our ones from Halfords, so it was roughly £8 in total, I think. Yeah, and it's roughly 500 ml, so it will last a long time, so it's good value. Next up, we've got the gloss black paint, which will be the star of this transformation video, and we've opted for this gloss black one because it will give a good shine. You can choose any color you want though. And next we've got our clear lacquer, which will be just for protection, and you can apply as much as you want as it will last long. We started off by cleaning up the tires, making sure that there's no excess dirt, because we don't want bad paintwork done. Once it's done and it's applied, it can't be taken off, or if you do take it off, it will take a lot of time and we don't want to waste your time, so stick to our tips. We did this one beforehand to show you a comparison of what it should look like once you've actually cleaned them up. So first up is the primer. You don't want to go too close when applying this. You just want to do a thick, even coat across, as you will be doing 2 applications. So yep, as you can see, we're going in a left-right motion. That helps give an even spread to the actual primer. Make sure you're not going in dodgy motions, by the way. Yeah, so you'll be doing this across all 4 tires. Just take your time, don't rush into it, as the longer you take, the better the result will be at the end. So as you can see here, we're doing the second coat. You have to wait at least 4 minutes between each coat, so make sure you don't rush in before that, otherwise it will affect your result at the end. Once you've done the second coat, make sure you touch the paint to see if it's dry before you go on to applying the black gloss, which is the next step. Same procedure as the primer, just go in a left-right motion, get an even spread of the gloss black paint, and yeah, just make sure you're not overdoing it. Compared to before, you can already see the difference. The black is much more finer and much more refined than the one previously, which was on the stock car wheels. So last step of this is applying the clear coat, which would be the lacquer. This is just for protection. You can add as much as you want and apply a generous amount. We're using brake cleaner to make sure that our brakes aren't affected after our paint job. As we didn't use any jack to take off the wheels, this is the best option to do. So there you have it, that's the final result. You can see that the wheels are much deeper black, and yeah, you'll be happy with this job once it's done.